going on, everyone? Today we're gonna do another unboxing. I know it's been like the 5th one, but I love doing unboxings. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Logitech K400 wireless touch keyboard. Right there. You guys can see that? Okay. So let's start unboxing. Where's my scissors? Are right here. Cut. Okay. We're also gonna do an example. Like, I'm gonna connect it to my Xbox One, and we're gonna type with it. Okay. So guys, I'm just doing these unboxings only for today. So if you guys want more unboxings, you guys have to at least get 10 likes on one of these videos. And if you guys get 10 likes on one of these videos, then I'll do 2 unboxings a week, or maybe 3. I don't know. Depends on how many times I go to stores. So let's start doing this. Alright. And then so I cut the tape. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. So, oh, that's cool. Right when you open it, you get the wireless keyboard, and it has the mouse built into it. Throw that away. Okay. That's really cool. It's like the mouse is over here. And then you can type. It feels comfortable when you type. So that's good. Okay, let's put that aside. Actually, let's just put that right here. And then there's, what is this? This came inside the box. It's like a USB thing with this on, so it's basically like a USB, but then it has something you can connect a wire to or something. I don't know why that came with it. And then this was in it. This is the thing you plug into the Xbox or computer or something, so that you can sit back, relax, and do whatever you want. So let's put that over here. Throw this over there. Okay, so this is what it came with. It came with the keyboard. It came with these things. It came with this is cool how they folded it up. It's like, let me show you. It's like a spring. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of instruction manuals. Oh, this explains what that is. Let me see what... Instruction manuals. I mean, that's a lot of instructions for a keyboard. Wow. Okay, so this says... Oh, if you want, you can plug, you can plug this in the back of this, and then you can, and this makes you, like, connect to your TV instead of your computer. If you're going to connect it to your computer, you just plug this in, but if you want to connect it to your TV, you plug this inside of this. Oops, wrong way. There. You plug this inside of this, and then you plug this inside your TV. That's cool. So let me fold this up. Okay, there we go. So it came with that. It also came with a pamphlet with too many words for me to read. Put that aside. And that's all it came with. So, yeah. Let me put this back here. Let me put the paper in here. And I don't know what these things are. They just... Let's put this over here. And let's close the box. And I guess after this unboxing, I have one more unboxing for you guys after this. And then that's going to be it, unless you guys can get at least 10. Actually, no, at least 5 likes. Can we get to 5 likes? Because I only have 3 subscribers. And bam. There we go. Let's put this side of... I was about to say let's put this side of box. Let's put this box aside. And let's... Hello. Uh-oh. My hair's messed up. Okay. So let's put this up. And by the way, it's like, it's 7:30 right now. I have to go to school at 8. So I have a half hour before I start my first day of school. Yeah, I'm so excited. No, I'm not. Okay. So, let me turn on my Xbox right here. Can you guys see that? I don't know. There we go. Let's move my chair. And let's unplug this from the side of the Xbox. There it is. I was looking for this. Okay. Let's put this on my table. Right here. And let's set up the camera. And let's plug this in to the side USB thing. I can see it. Uh-oh. There we go. It's plugged in. Yeah, it's plugged in. Yay. Okay. And this thing needs batteries. Right here. It runs on batteries. Let me go get some. I'll be right back. I forgot to show, but these batteries came with it. I didn't put them in. Well, yeah, I did put them in. Oh my god. Here, let me show you. While I was folding up the manual, I edited that part out. I seen these, they came with it. I didn't show you guys. Right there. Two AA batteries come with it, so that's good. You don't have to go buy your own. Bam. So my Xbox is on. Let me turn on my TV. Okay. Ow. Uh-oh. There we go. So here's the on-off switch. So let's turn it on. And I started up Minecraft. So let's put a sign down and type and see what's going to happen. So here's my controller. Actually, let's use the controller I just got today that I unboxed for you. Let me turn that on. And here, I don't know if you guys can see the TV real good, but sorry guys, this is the best I could do. Okay, let's sign in. Captain Marvel 03. If anyone has an Xbox One or Xbox 360, you guys can add me on that. Let's go to my creative world. Load. Uh-oh. I don't know why I was in survival. Uh-oh, it fell. Okay. Let's go into creative. Let's get a sign. Put the sign down. Uh-oh. Let's put the sign down and let's get the keyboard. Where is it? Right there. The keyboard's right here, guys. So I'm going to type it down right now. Let me type something. Hello, YouTube. What's up? This is a great new keyboard. As you can see, it allows you to type super fast. I wrote that whole sentence in like 20 seconds, so that's great. So yeah, well that's about all I have to show you guys for today. The lighting's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, then go ahead and do that for more unboxing videos, more Minecraft videos, and or more vlogs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.